All right, today I have this robot vacuum. I'm gonna open it up and let's see what it looks like. It's packed nicely. Comes with this nice quick start guide. Gives you an idea of, you can map out all your rooms like this on the app that they have here. So that's kind of convenient, so you know how to set it up. Comes with an instruction manual. And this is the robot vacuum. This is for the mopping feature. This is to get into all the corners. And it has a sensor here, so it knows where to dock, and so it doesn't go down, doesn't hit walls. It comes with an extra brush here and an extra microfiber mopping rag you can wash. This is the docking station, so you can set it up. I'm gonna set it up here in the dining room, and it will know to come back here when I'll show you how to do that on the map, on the app. I'm gonna set this up and show you. I've docked it here, set it up there. All right, this is the dust collecting canister and the water reservoir. I've put water in this part right here. It's in there. And this is where the dust is collected. In there. So it's been doing some cleaning today. I'm gonna put it back in here. It's got its voice, it gives you some voice instructions. Right now it's charging, and I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, I've pulled up on the app, Smart Life app. This is the map of our house, and I'm going to do zone cleaning, and I'm just going to set it to go. See that it has the sensors. I'm going to pick up this dog hair here. See, the floor is wet where it's been mopping. So the mopping feature is nice. We also have the vacuum feature. There's some stuff on the floor. We're going to see if we can continue. So it picks it right up. And you can schedule to have it done at different times of the day. If you want it done during the night, you can wake up with clean floors. Have it done while you're at work. It's like having a little housekeeper while you're gone.
Stop cleaning.
And it will redock when you're done.
Start recharging.
It'll sense that it's close to the docking station. Find its way back there.
Start charging.
And then to empty this,
Take out the dust box.
Take this over to the trash and dump that out. And there you go. So if you're looking for a little extra help around the house, this is a great little robot.
Start charging.
It's a great little device to help you out around the house.